natural and gentle enough for facial skin. Luxurious cold wax. Works beautifully. Gently warm the jar in the microwave. Apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. Press on one of the epilation strips that is included in your kit. Hold the skin taut, then quickly zip the strip off, in the opposite direction of hair growth. Parissa Persian Cold Wax Hair Remover Kit. Large, natural and gentle enough for facial skin. Luxurious cold wax. Works beautifully. Top reviews from the United States. The real stuff. This, to me, is the absolute best wax you will find. I am of Middle Eastern descent and have been waxing, as girls in my culture are wont to do, since a very young age. I am surprised by all the negative reviews, so I wanted to give some advice to try and help. The tips provided on this listing are pretty much spot on. Warm this up.